और अपना नाम हैदर महल रखा, तो कुली कुतुब शाह ने अपनी मोहब्बत के नाम पर इस शहर को बसाया। और जब शहर को बसाया तो कुली कुतुब शाह ने दुआ की, टिपिकल दखनी और हैदराबादी ज़बान में, मेरा शहर लोगों से मामूर कर, मेरे शहर लोगों से मामूर कर, रखिया जियूं तू दरिया या समी। मतलब उन्होंने दुआ की कि ए दुआ के सुनने वाले, मेरे शहर को लोगों से आबाद कर जैसे दरिया में मछलियों को जिंदा रखता है। और वो दुआ कबूल हुई और दरिया में जिस तरीके से मछलियां बढ़ती जाती हैं, पैदा होती जाती हैं, शहर बढ़ता गया, फैलता गया और मोहब्बत के नाम पे बसाया गया शहर अपनी मोहब्बतों को बांटता रहा। और इस शहर की अपनी तारीख है कि इस शहर में चार मीनार भी है, तो इस शहर में गोलकुंडा फोर्ट भी है, तो इस शहर में मक्का मस्जिद भी है, तो इस शहर में बिरला मंदिर भी है, तो इस शहर में मशहूर गुरुद्वारे भी हैं, तो इस शहर में पारसियों के इबादत खाने भी हैं, तो इस शहर में सारे मज़ाहब के मानने वालों के लिए इस शहर ने जगह दी और मोहब्बत को परवान चढ़ाया। And sir, when we talk about sustainable urban development, sir, I might be wrong, but what I understand is that when we say sustainable, the meaning of that is that the activities which are required for sustainable urban development is income, employment, housing, basic services, social infrastructure, public transport. And also, sir, I would also like to say that the Hyderabad is striving to become a sustainable city, sir. Sir, if we have to have a sustainable growth, sustainable urban development, so the basic requirements are that we have to have an urban planning and infrastructure, sir. That is very important. Enhancement of public transportation to reduce the private vehicle and also develop green spaces, green zone and green areas, and to improve waste management system, to reduce landfill use and increase recycling. Sir, at the same time, sustainable development also means water management, address the water scarcity through efficient management practices, promote rainwater harvesting, and use treated wastewater for non-potable purposes, sir. Also, sir, for sustainable growth, energy is very important. Increase the adoption of renewable energy sources like solar, wind power, enhance energy efficiency in building and infrastructure. And also, for sustainable growth, pollution control is important. Reduce air pollution through stricter emission control, promote cleaner fuels, address industrial pollution, and enforce environmental regulations, sir. Sir, and also for sustainable growth, housing is very important. Ensure affordable and sustainable housing options and promote energy efficient and eco-friendly construction practices. And also public awareness and participation. Increase public awareness about sustainability practices and encourage community participation is sustainable activities, sir. Also, sir, effective for any economic growth and social progress, what is important is law and order. effective law enforcement agencies, effective judicial system, prevention of crime and public safety, good schools, good colleges, and also, sir, the most important thing that is required is that, sir, we have to have a very strong firefighting department, sir. Sir, when I speak, I have heard my learned friends talking about so many issues. I appreciate that they've spoken well. But, sir, I'm not repeating what has already been spoken. One important point has not been spoken, and it is a very important point. Our fire department is very weak, Honorable CM, sir. So the problem is that we are giving permission for high-rise building, but we do not have ladders to fight if any emergency comes. Sir, for any sustainable city, sir, we have to give a refilling points where a firefighting tanker can be refilled. Sir, I have been addressing this issue not today, but from the last so many years, I would say from the last 15, 20 years. But unfortunately, this issue has never been addressed. So I hope that when we talk about sustainable growth, urban growth, we have to look into so many aspects, sir. So also policy and governance, develop and implement comprehensive urban sustainability policies and ensure effective governance and interdepartmental coordination, sir. This is also very important, sir. Sir, also going further ahead, sir, there is no doubt on the rapid urbanization that is happening in Hyderabad, sir. एक concrete जंगल की तरह हैदराबाद बनता जा रहा है और ट्रैफिक कंजेशंस भी है, वाटर स्केर्सिटी है. तो ये सारे चीजों को हमको एड्रेस करना होगा. एंड ऑल्सो फ्लडिंग, थोड़ी सी बारिश होती है और हम देखते हैं कि बारिश में ट्रैफिक जैम हो जाती है और फिर उसके बाद रोड खराब हो जाती है, लोगों को काफी मसाइल होते हैं. और फिर सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज यह है कि जब हम अगर सस्टेनेबल ग्रोथ की बात कर रहे हैं तो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट कि पब्लिक मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट नीड्स टू बी इंप्रूव्ड. When I talk about and say that the public mode of transport needs to be improved, I am so sorry to say, sir, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, earlier we had 4,000 change buses, but now when we see, we have only 2,000 buses left in Hyderabad. अब आपने औरतों के लिए फ्री कर दिया, बहुत अच्छा किया, लेकिन हो रहा यह है कि औरतें ज़्यादा हो जा रही हैं, सारे बसेस में औरतें हैं और फिर दूसरे लोगों को पब्लिक मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट मुहैया नहीं हो रहा है. तो मैं उम्मीद करूंगा कि आप इस ताल्लुक से भी देखेंगे. और सर, आई वाज आल्सो इन्फॉर्म्ड दैट के लेक्स के बारे में, लेक्स के प्रोटेक्शन के बारे में काफी लोगों ने बात किया है और काफी लोगों ने बहुत कुछ कहा है. ऑनरेबल पैनल स्पीकर सर, मैं जब बात करता हूं लेक्स की, सर, मैं ये जरूर कहना चाहता हूं कि जिसको हम टैंकबंड कहते हैं, हुसैन सागर कहते हैं, सब लोग को शायद नहीं मालूम, अभी भी हुसैन सागर के ताल्लुक से द केस इज गोइंग ऑन इन सुप्रीम कोर्ट. I don't know when the judgment is going to come. Sir, I want to know, we are talking about and saying that so many lakes have been encroached. Are we going to take an action on the encroachment that has happened, where the secretariat of the state is there? Is that not on the catchment area, not part of the Hussain Sagar? What about the Necklace Road? What about the Buddha Purnima? What about the Sanjeevaya Park? Sir, you would be surprised, sir. I was just seeing that in the Supreme Court, it has been submitted by a lawyer, and he said that Hyderabad city is having, he said about this Hussain Sagar, sir, Hussain Sagar ke baare mein I would like to say, sir, based on the lake parameters, 11 miles referred to earlier, some interesting calculations have been attempted of the lake area of Tangband, sir. Had the lake been circular, this is what has been submitted in Supreme Court. Had the lake been circular, the area would be 6,160 acres. If pentagon with equal side, it would be 5,329. If rectangular, it will be 4,418. If square, it would be 5,120. So this is what is Tangband Hussain Sagar. A house committee was constituted, sir, I remember, when this Lumbini Park and that food court was constructed. I raised a question and objection then on the demand of the then opposition, and myself, a house committee was constituted. I was also part of the house committee, sir. In that report, I have given my dissent note also. It's still there in that house committee. So where the lakes are disappearing? Yes, the lakes are disappearing. Who's failing to protect them? But sir, when we say that, I would also like to say, sir, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, I have studied in Hyderabad Public School, Begumpet. I used to go to my school every day in a bus. My father had made a bus, general bus pass for us. With that pass, we could travel in any bus, So myself and my elder brother, Honorable MP of Hyderabad, Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi, we both used to go together. And when we used to miss the school bus, we used to go to Liberty. I think Honorable CM Saab knows that famous Liberty Theatre was there. Opposite to Liberty Theatre, there was an Akbar Darbar Hotel. Beside Akbar Darbar Hotel, there was a bus stand over there. And from there, we used to take number 7 bus, or number 7A, or 8, or 8A, or 42. And we used to go to Paradise. And from Paradise, we used to walk. And we used to take another bus, 10, 10A, 9, or these buses, and go to Hyderabad Public School. Sir, when we used to come and wait at the bus stop near that Liberty Theatre opposite, sir, I remember, sir, there was a beautiful waterfall. I am sure my Honorable Chief Minister Saab, my leader of the House, Mr. Revant Reddy Saab, also remembers that पत्थर की दीवार थी, सर, बड़ा नाला था, और जो बारिश होती थी, जब टैंकबंड भर जाता था, तो it had a natural, beautiful waterfall. Beautiful water used to fall from there. We used to miss buses and we used to stand there and just keep looking at the lovely, beautiful, what we used to see, the water just flowing from there and going. Or aaj, we talk about encroachment on nalas, encroachment on lakes. Who have encroached, sir? Where has that disappeared? अफसोस के साथ कहना पड़ता है, सर, वो नाले के ऊपर, वो इतना अच्छा खूबसूरत नाले के ऊपर GHMC का ऑफिस बना हुआ है. GHMC, sir. Right, sir. You're right, sir. Poonam Prabhakar Saab said right. Mughal Darbar, right. Mughal Darbar. Later Akbar Darbar, Mughal Darbar Hotel. Biryani was famous there. Nagendra Saab is also saying that. So वो सब चला गया, sir. So, sir, now the reason is that I'm not criticizing or I'm not demanding that, okay, we need to, break the Necklace Road or break the GHMC office. My only submission through you is that, sir, what we have lost, we have lost. What we have, let us protect it. Let us protect it. Because this is very important. जो खोना था हमने खो दिया है, जो जाना था वो चला गया, जो बचा हुआ है उसको तो कम से कम हम बचा लें. Very rightly said के सिटी ऑफ लेक्स था. सर, ये हम कहते हैं गच्चीबौली, सर, बौली थी वहां पर एक. Sir, then again I remember, sir, I had taken part in the discussion and I just demanded and I said, गच्चीबौली पे पूरा इतना इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इसके बिल्डिंग आ रही है, गच्चीबौली इज डिसअपियरिंग. तो गच्चीबौली को प्रोटेक्ट किया गया था, सर. इट इज स्टिल देयर. और वो बौली का जितना एरिया था वो प्रोटेक्ट नहीं हुआ, सिर्फ उतनी बौली प्रोटेक्ट हो गई, बाकी पूरा चला गया. सर, दिस इज द सैड स्टोरी that is happening, sir. Sir, also, sir, as the capital city and pride of Telangana, Hyderabad is the prime growth engine. and the revenue generating gold mine for Telangana government, I would say, sir. We can generate money, sir. Sir, the successive governments and chief ministers in United Andhra Pradesh and subsequently in Telangana state have contributed to the emergency of Hyderabad as a cosmopolitan and metropolitan city with potential to become a truly global city, sir. Honorable panel speaker, sir, during the tenure of Congress government in United Andhra Pradesh, the then Chief Minister Dr. Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy Sahab had taken the initiative to form the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation by merging 12 adjoining municipalities with the then Municipal Corporation of Hyderabad. The Quli Qutub Shah Urban Development Authority was formed in 1981 by the then Chief Minister Mr. T. Anjaya Sahab. Sir, in the United AP and even after the formation of Telangana state, the focus of the government has been on creating civic infrastructure in the peripheral areas at the expense of the core city of Hyderabad, the old city, sir, the old MCH, sir. Sir, some initiatives were taken and Musi Riverfront Development Corporation and Hyderabad Road Development Corporations were formed for cleaning and purification of Musi and development of roads infrastructure in the GHMC area. So we have always cooperated and we have always supported and we always wanted the growth of Hyderabad to accelerate. We wanted the Hyderabad to grow. But unfortunately, sir, when I speak about the growth of Hyderabad, I am so saddened. When the growth happens, the real Hyderabad is forgotten. The real true Hyderabad is forgotten. Sir, I have an opportunity and chance, and Allah का शुक्र है कि अल्लाह ने मुझे मुख्तलिफ दुनिया के शहरों में जाने का मौका दिया. Sir, wherever I go, the importance of the old city is there in every city, sir. That is, I mean, the central city is the old city. And every tourist activity, every activities, every shopping, every museum, or everything is at a central part of any city. Let it be London, let it be Paris. So whenever I go, I make sure that I get an accommodation in the central part of the city, whichever city I go to. So recently I had a chance to go to Croatia, sir, Dubrovnik. Sir, I was so shocked and surprised to see. The youngsters might be knowing, young legislators, what is that? The Game of Thrones, right? Am I right? The Game of Thrones, yeah. The young legislators sitting there might be knowing about it. The Game of Thrones was shot in Dubrovnik. And you know, they had a war. Honorable panel speaker, sir, they faced war for 7 to 9 years. And everything was, you know, bombed and every heritage was lost. I have been there. 20 days back I was there with my family. And I was so surprised to see the old town of Dubrovnik. Old town, sir. It is so beautiful. Successfully, they created the old town. जो टूट गया था उसको बनाए. They made it so beautiful. And lakhs of tourists are coming there. So, sir, now my question is that, why can't we protect our own heritage? I really fail to understand that people, you know, they say that the heritage kya kaam ka hai, isko de do. Honorable Chief Minister Sahab, I want to bring to your kind notice, sir, I have been shouting and screaming. And for your information, sir, you should find out, they were all heritage structures which were listed as heritage. List A, list B, list C, list 1, B and 2, C ऐसे थे सर. और उसमें यह था कि उसको कोई हाथ नहीं लगा सकते, उसको कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकते. लेकिन बीआरएस की गवर्नमेंट ने वो सारी हेरिटेज की लिस्ट को खत्म कर दिया. उसमें अब कोई भी हैदराबाद की, कोई भी शहर की, कोई भी पुरानी बिल्डिंग वो हेरिटेज के लिस्ट में नहीं है. पूरे निकाल दिए. सो दिस इज द अपाथी सर. ये तो अफसोस है. Heritage, sir, heritage is very important. We can bring in tourists. Tourists will come to Hyderabad. Sir, Pathargatti, I would say that Pathargatti is the replica of the Milan fashion street, sir. Milan fashion street, the arches, beautiful. What is happening, sir? Sir, we need to protect. So this is why I say that Hyderabad, old city, has been neglected. kindly, sir, I request that let us come together. Ritz Hotel, yeah, Ritz Hotel. It was a famous Ritz Hotel, sir. Ritz Hotel का जो ग्रुप है सर, इतना महंगा, इतने बड़े लोग रहते हैं रिट्स, तो आप अंदाजा लगाइए कि हैदराबाद में रिट्स होटल थी, तो आप अंदाजा लगाइए आज वो भी खत्म हो गई. Yes, sir, you're right. Yes, sir, you're right, sir. We had a lovely swimming pool there. You're right, sir. So, you know, sir, इतना खूबसूरत नौबत पहाड़ बोलते थे, जहां पे नौबत बजती थी, सर. जहां पे बिरला प्लानिटोरियम इज देयर, वहां पे नौबत बजती थी. बिरला मंदिर इज देयर. सर, वी आर लूजिंग एवरीथिंग, सर. तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि सर आप के जरिए आई वेलकम द इनिशिएटिव टेकन बाय ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब ऑफ reviving or beautification or rejuvenation of Musi River, sir. I know it's a very, very challenging task, but it is not impossible, sir. Nothing is impossible in this world, sir. If we have the will, automatically ways and means will come, and we will do that. Yes. So if the will is there, and the means will also be there, sir. About the metro also, sir. So our party was demanding, and Honorable CM Sahib have given a big reply on metro, so I do not want to go into the details of the metro. But at the same time, sir, I would also like to say about the numerous work which has been sanctioned at GHMC and Quli Qutub Shah Urban Development Authority, Metropolitan Water Supply and Sewerage Board, Southern Power Discom, and other civic infrastructure, sir. Sir, when I go in this, I would like to have a clarification, sir. Sir, it was the MIM party, sir. We had a meeting, and then let me remind this and say this, sir. Sir, if today the Krishna waters are there in Hyderabad city, again, I think it is my moral responsibility to remember the ex-legislature, Mr. Janardhan Reddy of Khairtabad, sir. He and MIM, sir. He and me. Krishna water, Krishna water. So many times, sir, I was not the leader of my party. I remember my brother was the leader of the party. So I used to go and stand there, sir, with him then. So yes, we used to fight, sir. So Krishna waters came. And I would also say that today the learned man is not in Congress, but the Godavari waters have come. I would say again, MIM party, and I am going to remember Shashidhar Reddy Sahab. We both used to talk, sir. Bring the Godavari waters, bring the Godavari waters. And sir, we also made a demand and said that outer ring road mein ek ring banana chahiye. Sir, I would like to clarify, sir, and say that Kareem Nagar ke paas se pani aa raha tha, usko roka ja raha tha, and the ring is almost completed, the line, water line for ring for Godavari waters. If Godavari waters are not there, we can pump in the Krishna waters. If Krishna waters are not there, we can pump in the Godavari waters, sir. And I remember Rajshekar Reddy Sahab had said, Akbar, we will start the Godavari waters pipeline laying from Old City, and it was started then, sir. Then, उस वक्त हुआ था, तो एक रिंग बनाया गया था. So, sir, development has been coming and it is coming. Sir, definitely a slow progress on the works in Old City under SRDP and SNDP, sir. Even maintenance work on the road network in Old City under CRMP are not being taken up, sir. Sir, about Chamina pedestrianization also I have spoken, sir. Sir, when I talk about SNDP and SRDP, sir, sir, मैं कहना चाहूँगा, sir, I am just searching for that. जियो, सर एक जियो दिया गया, सर, ओवेसी हॉस्पिटल के पास से एक फ्लाईओवर लिया गया, एलबी नगर की तरफ जा रहा है. ओवेसी हॉस्पिटल से इट गोज ऑन द राइट, सर, टू एलबी नगर. सर, I have been requesting that you have given one arm towards LB Nagar. Good. I'm not against it. That work is completed. He said, give one arm from the left side going towards Santosh Nagar. And the estimate is also been prepared, sir. It is 20 crores only, sir. Sir, नीचे से छोटा हो रहा. And sir, South Zone office is there. South Zone GHMC office is there. Sir, there the road is getting jam-packed, sir. Chandrayan Gutta flyover is there. Sir, I had requested for extension of Chandrayan Gutta flyover. They made a very big estimate, 107 crores. No, sir. With little amount, we can extend the existing flyover. We can take it till Umar Hotel or somewhere. बस उतना कर देते हैं. And Ballaguda, sir, SRDP में sanction हुआ सो है. Sir, you also know this Mehdipatnam Toli Choki, sir. Sir, we see when from Sarojini Hospital, we climb the flyover, we go towards airport. Sir, एक जगह पे रेती बोली के पास में, we wanted a flyover from Reti Boli to Toli Choki and join the Toli Choki flyover. Sir, I am not criticizing anybody, sir. ठीक है, डेवलपमेंट आया, ग्रोथ आया. आप देखिए सर, टोली चौकी से फ्लाईओवर ले लिए, शेखपेट के पास ले लीजिए, पूरा गच्ची बोली तक फ्लाईओवर जाता है सर. ये मेहदीपट्टनम के पास नहीं है सर. क्या इस वजह से कि हम एमआईएम के लोग रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, नामपल्ली और फिर ये कारवान का कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी आती है? सर, मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप उसको भी करेंगे. सर, ये इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं. एंड सर, आई हैव बीन डिमांडिंग एंड रिक्वेस्टिंग सर, ओल्ड सिटी में सीवरेज चार्जेस लेते हैं सर. पानी का बिल भी आता है, पानी का बिल देते हैं, लाइट का बिल आता है सर. सीवरेज लाइन्स ही नहीं है, लेकिन सीवरेज चार्जेस बोल के बिल में आता है सर. सर, in my constituency, Principal Secretary is there in the box. If I am wrong, I may be corrected. From last 10 years, sir, I have been demanding 300 crores estimate has been prepared for the sewerage system. Sir, a very important, when sustainable growth की बात कर रहे हैं, sir, Honorable CM साहब, Honorable CM, sir, I would like to just bring to your information, sir. So the most important thing is that Nizam era में we had storm water drains. निजाम एरा में सर, वो स्ट्रॉन्ग वाटर ड्रेन का मतलब क्या है? बारिश से पानी आता है तो वो स्ट्रॉन्ग वाटर ड्रेन में जाता है सर. उसके बाद में तेलुगु देशम, कांग्रेस जो भी थे सर, शहर को देखते ही नहीं थे. आंध्र प्रदेश बहुत बड़ा था, ये छोटा था, क्या इसको देखते हैं बोलते. सर, व्हाट दे डिड वाज, पूरे स्ट्रॉन्ग वाटर ड्रेन को दे कन्वर्टेड इनटू सीवरेज लाइन सर. सो नाउ व्हाई we are having waterlogging whenever it rains? The reason is that the drain which was laid for storm water is now being used by sewerage waters. This is a major problem, sir. Sir, sir, through you I request the Honorable CM Saab, sir, on the MIM's representation, a total project report was prepared. An estimate was also calculated. You should ask for this report, sir. It was said that some 5,000 rupees, 5,000 crores are required for entire city storm water drain work, sir. We have to do it, sir, one day or today. Today or tomorrow, the city is growing. Sir, agar 5,000 agar ho gaye, sir, we are not going to spend the entire amount in just 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. Fine, we can initiate, sir. And then we can complete the work. Sir, Krishna water भी आया है, तो कृष्णा का पानी फर्स्ट फेज, सेकंड फेज, थर्ड फेज, ये पूरे फेजेस आने के लिए 15-20 बरस लगे. तो वैसे ही ये काम शुरू तो हो सकता है सर. सर, चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन सर, मूसी डेवलपमेंट के बारे में सर, हम वी हैड proposed and we have asked to take 15 bridges across the stretch of Musi passing through the city, and this includes a bridge exclusively for relocation of old city hawkers, sir. Sir, when I talk about hawkers, sir, so hawkers को जो चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन में हो रहे हैं उनके लिए सर, मुझे जस्ट आई रिमेंबर्ड सर, आई एम सॉरी सर, मैं भूल ना जाऊं इसलिए कह रहा हूं सर. सर, आई डोंट नो वेदर पीपल नो अबाउट दिस कि जो हैदराबाद के जो रॉक्स है ना सर, वर्ल्ड में कहीं पर भी ऐसे शेप, ऐसे कलर के नहीं है सर. वर्ल्ड में नहीं है सर. सर, इट इज द हेरिटेज सर. आई हैव द लिस्ट ऑफ द रॉक्स सर. I have the list of that, sir. टाइम नहीं है, आप नहीं है बोले तो मैं फिर बाद में कभी बोलूंगा. We need to protect the rocks also, sir. सर, मैं बोलूंगा आपको, ग्रीन बेल्ट आप बना रहे हैं जहां पे रॉकी एरिया है, let us protect those rocks also, sir. It is a very beautiful rock, sir. जैसा हम आउटर रिंग रोड से आते हैं सर, देखते हैं कि रॉक्स है, उसमें लाइट्स लगाए, how beautiful it looks. Sir, we want the growth, we want the city to develop, but at the same time, we have to protect what the Almighty has blessed us with. If we are not going to protect this, then the beauty of the city will not remain there, sir. Sir, I may also say that, recall that the then Vice Rajshekar Reddy Sahab had announced the old city package of rupees 2,000 crores, sir. After the visit, sir, फिर उसके बाद में राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब का इंतकाल हुआ हादसे में, और वो 2000 करोड़ का जो पैकेज जो हमारे को दिया गया था वो वैसे ही रखा गया, उसमें कोई काम नहीं हुए। आज भी बहुत सारे काम हैं। सर, मैं आपके जरिए चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब से, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर साहब से, डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि राजशेखर रेड्डी की याद को फिर से ताजा करिए। जिस तरीके से राजशेखर रेड्डी ने ओल्ड सिटी को पैकेज दिया था, एक पैकेज ओल्ड सिटी के डेवलपमेंट के लिए भी आप ऐलान करिए। सर,
गौरव मुख्यमंत्री
స్పీకర్ సార్, అక్బరుద్దీన్ ఓవైసీ గారు హైదరాబాద్ మాస్టర్ ప్లాన్ గురించి టోటల్గా ప్రతిపాదన చేస్తుండ్రు. డెఫినెట్గా వాటి అన్నిటి మీద కూడా తీసుకుంటాం. ఒక్కటి నేను వారు అడిగిన దీంట్లో చాంద్రాయణగుట్ట నియోజకవర్గంలో ఏదైతే నెట్వర్క్ సివరేజ్ ఇది ఉన్నదో ప్రాజెక్టు, జోన్ 2లో దాదాపుగా 300 కోట్లతోని ఎస్టిమేషన్ ఉన్నది. మలక్పేట అండ్ అది చాంద్రాయణగుట్టకు వస్తుంది. ఈ ఆగస్ట్ ఎండింగ్ లోపల ఆ పనులు పిలిచి టెండర్లు చేస్తామని నేను చెప్పి వారికి మాట ఇస్తున్నా అధ్యక్ష.
Honorable Speaker, sir, through you, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister Saab for approving this, sir. Sir, my only request is that, sir, ये चंद्रायणगुट्टा फ्लाईओवर को एक्सटेंड करने का भी काम की मंजूरी दीजिए साहब। बहुत ट्रैफिक जैम है सर उसमें। रोड वाइंडिंग्स के लिए तो आते रहेंगे, होते रहेगा। ये एक काम सर, मेट्रो जब आने के वक्त आएगी सर, आने के वक्त आएगी, जब भी आएगी सर। जब तक काफी ट्रैफिक जैम है सर, वो सिर्फ वो बल्लागुड़े का 1-2 दीजिए सर, क्योंकि अब आप देखते हैं बहादुरपुरे के पास से एक अच्छा फ्लाईओवर आ गया है, तो एक ओल्ड सिटी का एक रिंग बन जाएगा साहब, विच विल बी कंजेशन फ्री। रेस्ट स्लोली वी कैन टेक अप द वर्क। तो मेरा आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर उसके ऊपर भी अगर आप गौर करेंगे तो बड़ी मेहरबानी होगी सर। Sir, we also welcome these big plans and request him to ensure that the work on both Musi River Front and Old City Metro Rail route have been taken up, sir. And also, sir, I request, sir, बहुत दिन से हम उस्मानिया दवाखाने के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, सर। हेरिटेज को रखते हुए उस्मानिया दवाखाने के बारे में मैं चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब से दरखास्त करूंगा, उस्मानिया दवाखाने के बारे में भी ऐलान कर दीजिए साहब, उस्मानिया के बारे में।
मेरे को मजबूर ऐसा कर रहा है अकबर भाई ने कि सब कुछ बजट, जितने भी भट्टी साहब ने जो बजट दिया हुआ है सब कुछ